Lenovo launches new ThinkPad E14, E15 laptops with AMD Ryzen 4000 processors. AMD continues being on a roll with its Ryzen processors, making inroads into the enterprise laptop segment in a way that eluded the chip producer in the past. Earlier this week it rolled out its new Ryzen Pro 4000 series for business portables, and Lenovo has just announced a pair of new ThinkPads that will make use of the non-Pro version of AMD's latest processors. The new ThinkPad E14 and E15 will come equipped with up to the Ryzen 4700U chip, which despite not being in the Pro family, still features 8 cores for superior performance. In addition to the new processor updates, the latest ThinkPad E models are redesigned with thinner bezels, so the screen-to-body ratio is improved to 85%. Security features include an integrated touch fingerprint reader that allows the user to turn on the laptop and log in at the same time, and an optional infrared camera with a glance software feature that can tell when the user steps away from the laptop and locks it. As the E-series is the budget line of ThinkPads, the affordable $639 starting price tag is no surprise, though you'll clearly pay more for the 4700U processor option. The new E14 and E15 will be available in June, along with a handful of other ThinkPads that will ship with Ryzen Pro 4000 chips, the T14 and T14S, starting price of $849 and $1,029, respectively, the X13, $849, and the L14 and L15, each starting at $649. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.